Yo, what's up mga brods, mga dudes? Yan, nagkaka-rush ako ngayon ng bago kong sasakyan. Yan. Ito yung mga hinire ko na yan. Naglilinis ng sasakyan ko. Tignan nyo naman kahit umuulan. Nagkaka-rush kami. At ito rin yung si BABALON este.
Ang ino na naman, vlog ba yan o ano? Mapupuli ka lang.
Ay, hindi. Siya si BABALON. Yan ang
Up day and night, writing these lyrics into my palm, searching work, pushing all types of bars, dipping inward. After that girl curved me, took a look.
pinsan ko, shout out.
Yo,
Kay Leon.
this song's brought to you.
Yes. Galing lang namin dyan. Kay kuya
day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams.
Sisikat na tayo. Insan Bubut. Aywa.
Be the right man for the right work. Get the job done, that's clockwork. Get the job done, that's back work. No food in the mouth, need the...
Punasan natin yung natin. At syempre, pananghalian pa lang to eh. So, pananghalian. Habang yan. Agawan ko na yung isa. Oh, Bibi. Bibi. Ako na. Para ibigyan ako.
Babasa.
Okay lang.
Bisa bom, Bibi?
Okay lang.
Cut mo na lang yung sinabi.
Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced.
Ang tapos na ba?
Months that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard. Don't know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not with you, but
Ayan guys.
These skies of a different